guys, on a lighter note, it's still the core, your #1 urban breakfast show, and this is the segment when we do this segment, just basically for you guys to like chill, relax, and
laugh at our guests,
and laugh at the doctor. You see,
when you
see doctor, not time, gang, wear white lab coat today. We don't cash you.
He has some kind of laughter that I don't understand, no?
Very gentlemanly, Abby. I wish I could be like, let me.
You look pathetic.
Why are you always doing like that now? All right, guys, this is the Magnet Game Show. So, doctor, yeah, doctor,
yeah,
doctor. All right, so this segment, yeah, you have 3 seconds to answer all the questions. Not questions, basically. The Magnet Game Show is a show where whatever word we say to you, we give you a word. So whatever words we say to you, you have 3 seconds to say whatever thing attracts you back to that word we are saying. For example, if I say cup, what attracts you to a cup?
I thought you were going to say bikini.
No.
But it's okay though.
What attracts you to a cup? What word? What do you think about when I say cup?
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of thing. You have 3 seconds.
Okay.
So you have 3 seconds. So she's the time. She's the time.
And I'm going to be timing so hard.
You know. Timing so hard?
Yeah, let's go on. Let's go on.
All right. Magnet Game Show, we're about to begin. All right. You ready?
Yeah, good.
Good. All right. Liposuction.
Boobs, breast.
Government.
3.
Obasanjo.
Health centers.
1, 2.
Primary care center.
Boob job.
1, 2, 3.
Liposuction.
Expired drugs.
Pharmacy.
Malaria.
Mosquitoes.
Knocked knees.
I'm
doctors.
Done.
Patella.
You missed that one. Midwives.
1, 2,
Nurses.
3.
Labor.
Pregnancy.
Surgery. Strike.
1.
Doctors.
One, 2.
Theater.
What do you say? I think theater. Surgery.
Babies.
Babies, mothers.
Nigerian parents. Syringe.
Drugs.
Ambulance.
Sickness.
Hard on. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Yeah.
Driver.
Morning sickness.
Pregnancy.
Say baba.
Boy.
All right.
I say that.
Well, it has something. Yeah, it has something he does. Yeah, when he's trying to answer, he's like what sound is that? No. Doctor, tell me what's going on.
He said money. He said money.
All right, I know. He did good. What are you going to score him? What are you going to score him for?
He has a very nice sound. That's all I'll say.
He has a very nice sound. Rico. All right, okay, shout out to you, doctor. That's a good one. I like your sound. We go on the other segment. I'm sure you don't want to miss what we have on the core. He's still here. I'm still here. Faith's still here.
And
we
we're
are
on a
about
short break right now.
Is the core.